In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Plus500 price alerts. Price alerts let you know the moment a market hits a level you care about, so you don't have to stare at charts all day. They're perfect for staying on top of forex pairs like EUR/USD, commodities such as oil, or popular cryptocurrencies. First, log into Plus500, either in WebTrader on your browser or in the mobile app. Use a stable connection so your settings save correctly. On mobile, app notifications help you receive alerts right away when one triggers. Next, go to the instrument you want to watch. You can browse categories, open your watch list, or use the search bar to find a symbol quickly. For example, type EUR/USD, look for oil benchmarks, or a specific crypto. Open the instrument's page to view its trading screen and details. On that screen, locate the bell-shaped alert icon. You'll see it on the trading panel or within the instrument's details, depending on your layout. Click or tap the bell to open alert settings. This is where you tell Plus500 exactly when you want to be notified about a price move. From the alert options, choose Price Alert. This straightforward choice activates when the market reaches a specific level. If you see other alert types, like percentage moves or rate of change, feel free to explore them later. But for now, we'll stick with a classic price trigger that works on virtually any instrument. Enter the price level you want to be notified about. Consider whether you care about the market moving up to a resistance zone or down to a support area. Type the exact number, including decimals where relevant, and double-check you're on the correct instrument and quote, currency. Many traders place alerts just above or below key levels for an early heads-up. Remember, a price alert is informational. It won't open or close trades for you. When it fires, you can evaluate the setup and decide your next action. Setting clear levels ahead of time helps you stay disciplined and reduces the urge to chase moves. If markets are volatile, consider giving your level a bit of breathing room to avoid constant pings. Finally, save the alert. You should see a confirmation, and the instrument will show an alert indicator. From here, continue watching the market or switch to other instruments, knowing you'll be pinged when your condition is met. That's it. Log in, choose your instrument, tap the bell, select Price Alert, set your level, and save.